Hello students, we have discussed magnification. Let we discuss some problem. First question is, a concave mirror produces a real image 2 times size of object. Find object distance. Given focal length of the concave mirror is 10 centimeter. A concave mirror produces a real image 2 times size of object. Means here magnification is 2, and since it is a real image, m is equal to 2. So real image, that is how you can write m is equal to v by u. So v is equal to 2u. Given focal length is 10 centimeter. As you know, for concave mirror focal length is negative. That is why m is equal to minus 10 centimeter. We will find object distance. Apply mirror formula. 1 by m is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. 1 by minus 10 is equal to 1 by 2u plus 1 by u is equal to 3 by 2u. So 2u is equal to minus 30, imply u is equal to minus 15 centimeter. Okay, so very easy. Second question is, a concave mirror produces a virtual image 2 times the size of object. Find object distance. Here the concave mirror produces real image 2 times size of object. Here the image is real image, and here the question is, a concave mirror produces a virtual image 2 times size of object. Find object distance. Given focal length is 15 centimeter. So here magnification is 2. M is equal to 2. So you can write concave mirror virtual image, that is where minus v by u is equal to 2. So you can write v is equal to minus 2u. And concave mirror focal length, that is why m is equal to negative minus 15 centimeter. You have to apply sign convention, otherwise you cannot do problem. Your answer will be wrong. So remember, sign convention is important in ray optics. Now apply mirror formula. 1 by m is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. 1 by minus 15 is equal to 1 by minus 2u plus 1 by u. This is equal to 2u minus 1 plus 2. So minus 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by 2u. 2u is equal to minus 15. So u is equal to minus 15 by 2 centimeter. Next question is, a convex mirror produces an image half of the size of object. Find object distance if focal length is 10 centimeter. Okay, convex mirror produces an image half of the size of object. So as you know, convex mirror produces virtual image, and here the magnification is given 1 by 2. So m is equal to minus v by u is equal to 1 by 2. So u is equal to minus 2v, or v is equal to minus u by 2. And for convex mirror focal length is positive, so m is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, now put in the mirror equation. 1 by m is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by v. V is equal to minus u by 2. So what is 1 by v? Minus 2 by u plus 1 by u is equal to minus 2 plus 1 by u is equal to minus 1 by u. So u is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Okay, so very easy. If you put the sign convention, then you can get the answer very easily. Another question is given. A real image of transverse magnification n is formed by a concave mirror of focal length f. Prove that the object is placed at a distance n plus 1 by n into f from the mirror. This 3 marks question. Important question comes in council examination. A real image of transverse magnification n is formed by concave mirror of focal length f. Prove that the object is placed at a distance n plus 1 by n into f from the mirror. How can you do the problem? So this real image, concave mirror, real image. So we can write m is equal to v by u is equal to n. So real image. So you can write what is v? V is equal to un. And as you know, what is focal length given f? So for concave mirror, focal length is negative. So f is equal to minus f. So put in the mirror equation. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u implies 1 by minus f is equal to 1 by un plus 1 by u implies minus 1 by f is equal to un is 1 plus n. So you can write what is u is equal to minus f into 1 plus n by n. Okay. So the object is placed at a distance of n plus 1 by n into f. Proved. So object is at a distance. Object is at a distance n plus 1 by n into f from the mirror. Next important question comes in council examination. 3 marks question. An object is placed at a distance x1 from the focus of a concave mirror. Its real image is formed at a distance x2 from the focus. Prove that focal length of mirror is root over of x1 into x2. An object is placed at a distance x1 from the focus of a concave mirror. Its real image is formed at a distance x2 from the focus. Prove that focal length of the mirror is square root of x1 into x2. This is important question. This is also 3 marks question. Comes in council examination. Concave mirror. Suppose this is object AB and suppose this is image A dash B dash and this is focus. So this is f, focal length f. So what is object distance? Object distance is equal to the object is placed at a distance x1 from the focus. This is BF. BF is equal to x1. BF is equal to x1. So what is object distance? U is equal to x1 plus f. And you know object distance is negative, so it is minus x1 plus f. The image is placed, the image is obtained at a distance x2 from the focus. X2 from the focus. B dash f. B dash f is equal to x2. This is x2. So what is image distance? B is equal to PB dash x2 plus f. And here real image, that is negative, minus x2 plus f. And as you know, for concave mirror, focal length is negative, f is equal to minus f. So let you put in the mirror equation. 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. 1 by v, 1 by f is equal to 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So we get 1 by minus f is equal to 1 by minus x2 plus f plus 1 by minus of x1 plus f, implies negative cancel. We can write 1 by f is equal to x1 plus f plus x2 plus f by x2 plus f into x1 plus f. So you can write x2 plus f into x1 plus f, x2 plus f into x1 plus f is equal to f into x1 plus x2 plus 2f, x1 plus x2 plus 2f, just cross multiplication. So you can write this is x2 x1 plus x2f plus x1f plus f square is equal to x1f plus x2f plus 2f square. x1f cancel, x2f cancel, so x1 x2 equal to f square, 2f square minus f square equal to f square. So you can write f is equal to square root of x1 x2. Proved. So this is 3 marks question, comes in council examination. Next, another important question is, a convex mirror produces a magnification half when the object is placed at a distance of 0.8 meter from it. Find the focal length of the mirror. A convex mirror produces a magnification half when the object is placed at a distance 0.8 from it. Find the focal length of the mirror. So as you know, convex mirror produces virtual image. So m is equal to minus v by u is equal to 1 by 2, implies minus 2v is equal to u. So v is equal to minus u by 2. And object distance is given 0.8 meter, u is equal to minus 0.8 meter. So what is v? V is equal to minus u by 2 is equal to 0.8 minus of minus 0.8 by 2 is equal to 0.8 by 2 is equal to 0.4 meter. So u is equal to minus 0.8 meter, v is equal to 0.4 meter. So put in the mirror equation, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So we get 1 by 0.4 minus 1 by 0.8 is equal to 10 by 4 minus 10 by 8 is equal to 20 minus 10, this 10 by 8. So we get ab is equal to 8 by 10 centimeter is equal to 8 by 10 meter is equal to 0.8 meter. So in this way we can do the problem.